All right, let's go ahead and get started. Welcome to the AutoCAD 2021 overview. My name is Jamie Smith, and I'm an AEC Solutions Specialist here at MicroCAD Training and Consulting. If you need to get in touch with me or ask any questions at all, my email address is right there, jsmith@microcad3d.com. It's my pleasure to go over the new features of AutoCAD 2021 with you today. AutoCAD 2021 is packed full of value for its subscribers. Here's an overview of what we'll cover in more detail. First, it's all about the right AutoCAD for you. Now, when you subscribe to AutoCAD 2021, you can access the right tool set for the job. Secondly, I'm excited to talk to you about the AutoCAD web app and mobile apps, giving you the freedom and flexibility to work on anything, anywhere, at any time. Lastly, AutoCAD continues to deliver new features, including new automations and enhancements to existing ones. Let's start with your AutoCAD. AutoCAD, including specialized tool sets, enables you to work faster and more effectively across disciplines. With 7 tool sets, you have access to include industry-specific features and libraries for architecture, mechanical design, mapping, and more. Over the past 20 years, we have invested in AutoCAD vertical specialized tool sets to make AutoCAD as personalized an experience as possible. When you subscribe to AutoCAD 2021, you gain access to all the capabilities of the industry-specific tool sets and libraries, including mechanical, architecture, electrical, MEP, and more. No matter the design challenge, you'll always have the right tools at hand. When you subscribe to AutoCAD, including specialized tool sets, you gain access to features and functionality to help you work faster and more efficiently than ever before. You can design more quickly with industry-specific capabilities, which allow you to access to libraries of symbols, parts, and detailed components. You can work faster by automating the creation of annotations, layers, and properties. You can even more efficiently extend workflows across disciplines more effectively. And you can do all of this while working in the familiar AutoCAD interface. Now let's take a look at each of these tool sets. Maybe you need a library of standard-based parts and tools to create and modify mechanical designs for manufacturing and documenting mechanical designs. The mechanical toolset allows you to speed product design by automating mechanical engineering tasks, such as generating machine components, dimensioning, and creating bills of material. You'll also gain access to 700,000 plus intelligent manufacturing parts, features, and symbols. Have you ever wanted to create floor plans, sections, elevations, and other drawings for building design? With the architecture toolset, you can speed drawing and documentation with building design features. The toolset gives you access to more than 8,000 intelligent architectural objects and styles with features designed specifically for architects. Or maybe you wish you had features tailored to electrical design to create, modify, and document electrical control systems. With the electrical toolset, you can boost productivity and quickly design panel layouts, schematic designs, and diagrams, and other electrical drawings using a library of 65,000 intelligent electrical symbols. Incorporate GIS and CAD data to support planning, design, and data management. Access spatial data stored in files and databases, along with web services, and aggregate it with your AutoCAD design data. Easily manage your GIS data with standard data schema, automated business workflows, and report templates. Use specialized MEP engineering features and 10,500 plus intelligent mechanical electrical and plumbing objects to draft, design, and document building systems. Easily design ductwork, electrical conduit, and circuiting for HVAC, plumbing, and electrical. Use the Plant 3D toolset to efficiently produce P and IDs and then integrate them into a 3D plant design model using specialized plant design and engineering features. Quickly create schematic diagrams, plant layouts, and other drawings with our 3D plant toolset. Use raster to vector tools and help you edit, scan drawings, or convert raster images to DWG products. Quickly edit and clean up and transform images, manipulate raster entities, including images, lines, arcs, and circles, create vector shapes like lines and polylines, and more with our raster design toolset. Next, let's take a look at the AutoCAD web and mobile apps, which provide quick and seamless access to your CAD drawings wherever you are on any device. Our apps make it possible to continue to design and draft with the most up-to-date files while in the field and on the go. AutoCAD subscriptions include access to the web app and mobile app. These apps enable you to work on any DWG in AutoCAD on any platform. Whether you choose to use AutoCAD for Windows, Mac, web, or mobile device, be it an iPad, iPhone, Android, or Windows device, we have the right AutoCAD for you. You can enjoy a cohesive experience across various platforms. The state-of-the-art AutoCAD web and mobile apps let you design and draft anytime, anywhere. Wherever you go, you can have the peace of mind that AutoCAD will be there for you. With AutoCAD on desktop, web, and mobile, take the power of AutoCAD with you. Be productive on site or on the go with essential tools that let you view, create, and edit CAD drawings on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. There is no need to bring printed drawings to the job site anymore. The newest addition to the AutoCAD family of products, the AutoCAD web app, gives you quick, anytime access to the latest drawings from any computer. The AutoCAD web app runs in your web browser with no software install required. Simply visit web.autocad.com, sign in, and start working. With a simplified interface, you get core AutoCAD 2D drafting tools and commands, so you can quickly get up to speed and be productive with little to no training. Built with the original AutoCAD engine, the web app gives you the precision, consistency, and fidelity you've come to expect from AutoCAD. In addition to the web app, the AutoCAD mobile app lets you work anywhere, even offline. Extend your workflows from the office to the job site with the mobile app. The mobile app has developed many of the fundamental desktop Autodesk tools that we all know and love, as well as mobile-only tools that let you add laser measurements to your Autodesk drawings and site photos to your plans. When used on devices like the iPad Pro and Windows Surface, the mobile app takes advantage of the high-resolution display and supports the stylus for precision drafting, editing, and annotations. In order to enable better workflows across desktop, web, and mobile, take advantage of the functionality to access DWG files in the office and beyond. Within the application menu and Save As, you'll see a Drawing to Mobile Web option. This takes the current DWG you're working on and allows you to access it from the AutoCAD web and mobile apps. Additionally, you'll see in the Open tab to the Drawing from the web and mobile option. This opens the drawing that has previously been accessed in web or mobile. Easily go from drafting on your desktop to drafting on your AutoCAD web or mobile app, and vice versa. To conclude, let's take a look at some of the new features and enhancements that have been added to the AutoCAD 2021 and available to all active subscribers of AutoCAD. Let's start with what we have added to the core functionality for active subscribers of AutoCAD 2021. The new drawing history feature has been a game changer for your workflow, giving you insights on the evolution of your drawings and so forth. Subscribers who access a file saved in OneDrive, Dropbox, or Box can easily compare a drawing with previous versions of that drawing. Drawing files saved to OneDrive, Dropbox, and Box Cloud storage maintain previous versions of drawing files that can now be accessed in the new Drawing History palette. In the Drawing History palette, you can choose which version to compare your current drawing to, filtering by date, user, or minimum time between versions. The Compare button automatically opens the DWG Compare feature, and the differences are displayed right in the current drawing. And you can import changes from your previous version into the current drawing in real time. Now, here's a benefit of subscribing to the latest version of AutoCAD. You can use the popular DWG Compare feature for external references, or Xrefs, that are attached to your drawing. If a reference drawing has changed, a notification will automatically display in AutoCAD. This one would be similar to the plot preview completed bubble that you've seen in the past. Click on the notification to compare changes with the context of your current drawing. Like DWG Compare, Xref Compare shows you the differences between versions with revision clouds. You can toggle on and off the comparison and scroll through each difference. When you make changes to the current Xref, the differences are highlighted in real time. You can select the objects from the compared Xref and import them into the current Xref in real time. The Blocks palette feature introduced last release has been improved so that you can access your blocks anytime and anywhere. The Blocks palette now lets you sync recent blocks in a drawing to a cloud storage location and access them from any device, whether it be desktop, web, or mobile. The Other Drawings tab is now the new Libraries tab, displaying the 5 most recently used blocks and their libraries for the fastest access. You can now specify a folder, drawing file, or any block definition stored in a drawing to insert as a block in the current drawing. Like with previous releases, graphics performances have also been improved with AutoCAD 2021. You can pan and zoom faster in real time. When panning and zooming in 2D, AutoCAD automatically performs regeneration operations for a faster and smoother experience. 3D orbit, pan, and zoom operations are also more responsive, especially for complex 3D models due to multi-core processors. And we have even more great news. Here's even more value for active AutoCAD 2021 subscribers. Last year, we announced partnerships with Dropbox, Box, and OneDrive. So if it's a DWG, it's open in AutoCAD, web app, or any platform of your choice. And this year, we've added Google Drive. As of today, if you already store your files in Google Drive, you'll have streamlined workflows and can take advantage of anytime access to any DWG file with AutoCAD. With the AutoCAD web and mobile apps included with your AutoCAD 2021 subscription, you can take the power of AutoCAD with you and design and draft anytime, anywhere. We're excited to announce that AutoCAD 2021 for Mac and AutoCAD LT 2021 for Mac will be available starting April 3rd. This release includes some of the features that are included with the 2021 Windows version, as well as some Mac-specific features, including a floating command line. The AutoCAD for Mac software is now available in simplified Chinese as well. With your AutoCAD 2021 subscription, you'll get access to support specialists, the latest updates, flexible term lengths, and administrative tools to easily manage your licenses, seats, and usage. Plus, you can use your software anytime, anywhere. When you subscribe to AutoCAD, including specialized toolsets, You get access to industry-specific functionality. You can speed up the work with specialized functionality and libraries. Work anytime, anywhere with the new web and mobile apps, giving you the freedom to design and draft on the go. And work smarter with the latest AutoCAD enhancements and performance improvements across desktop, web, and mobile. You can learn more, subscribe, and get a free trial on our website. With Autodesk, you can make anything. Thanks so much for attending. I hope you learned a lot about the new AutoCAD 2021 release. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here for you always. Thank you.